So we have 6 minus square root 8 divided by square root 2 minus 1. Now square root 8, it's better to change it to break it down to a simpler surd. So 8 can be broken down to 4 times 2, and we know that square root 4 is so 4 is the square number, so square root 4 times square root 2, square root 4 is 2 square root 2. Okay, so square root 8 is 2 square root 2. Okay, so what we have here is 6 minus 2 square root 2 divided by square root 2 minus 1. So now we need to rationalize this because we do not like surds in the denominator. So multiply the top and bottom by square root 2 plus 1. Okay, always be careful with this because it's a very common mistake. Now expand above and below. So 6 times square root 2 is 6 square root 2. And then 6 times 1 is 6. And then 2 square root 2 times square root 2 will be, so the square root 2 and square root 2 will be just 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then square root, yeah, so 2 square root 2 times 1 is just 2 square root 2. Okay, and below, square root 2 times square root 2 is just 2. And a minus square root 2 plus square root 2 and a minus 1. Okay, so 6 square root 2 minus 2 square root 2, because in front of this we have a minus, so that's why we're minusing. So it will become 4 square root 2, and 6 minus 4 is just a positive 2. And below, the minus square root 2 plus square root 2, that just becomes 0, and 2 minus 1 is just 1. So we have 4 square root 2 plus 2. So A is A is 2. A is 2 and B is 4. Okay, so actually you can rewrite this into that form if we want to have the 2 first. Okay, so 2 plus 4 square root 2.